Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I am going to show you the updated, fast, and easy way to transfer videos directly from TeraBox to your phone gallery on both iPhone and Android. First, open the TeraBox application on your device and make sure you are fully logged into your account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look at the top menu and select the video section. This area displays all the video files currently stored in your TeraBox cloud. Scroll through your list and find the exact video you want to save to your local storage. Tap directly on the video to open it. Look at the top right corner of your screen, where you will see 3 small dots. Tap on those dots to open the options menu. From the list of options that appears, find the choice labeled Download to Mobile Phone or Download to Local depending on your current app layout. Tap that option to begin the transfer. You will see a progress indicator showing that your file is downloading directly to your device. Allow a few moments for the download to complete. Once finished, close TeraBox and open your device gallery or Photos application. You will find your video saved there in full quality, ready for offline viewing. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to ClearTask, leave a like, and turn on notifications so you never miss our future guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.